that light comes on, and you pull the trigger, it'll illuminate a beam light, and it looks really cool. So, and then it holds 4 here, so that's a total of 16 darts. So, yeah, and it goes pretty far, and has a little strap there and there. So if you attach like a rope to it, you can hang it around your neck. So that's number 1. Second one, the belt. The one I have. Pretty great gun. It holds chains, which is cool. Like, say it comes with 35, and if you're at it, like, just saying, if you're out of ammo and you're 15, if you have 15 here, switch to a 20 really quick. All you have to do is pull the trigger, hold it back, hold the trigger, hold it back, ready to fire. So, really nice gun. Push this button, and this comes out. So then, if it's jammed, and put it down here, so ready to fire. So, number 4, that was number 1. This is number 2. Top third Nerf gun is my new long shot I made. If you see my other video, I attached a pistol to it, so all you have to do is do this. Bang, bang, put a dart in, pull back, and you're ready to go. Or catch it like this, and it's basically a long shot / recon. So, pretty cool. If you're holding it like this, the barrel right here doesn't work at all unless you put it right here. But if you have it like this, it doesn't work. So that's pretty cool. And it's really cool because I made a little long shot. See my other video. So yeah, this is number 3. Number 4 that I probably have, Maverick. This is my new Maverick. As you see, the barrel comes out really easy. I got new darts. Pull it back. You shoot it. This time you don't have to pull it back, but you have to pull it back pretty far. As you see, that's to rotate it, but you have to pull it back pretty far. And then it has a little thing right there, so you can see where you're aiming, like so. Bam. I like this one really because I bought it, my new one, as you see. There's a box right there. Maverick. So, really nice gun. So that's number 4. Last, 5th one I have. This one. Really cool gun. Because all you have to do is pull it back once, that shoots 1, pull it back again, which is cool, and then pull it back really far if you shoot 3. Push. This little lever right there, and it comes out. Bullet pops out if, you're ready to reload. So, pull it back once, pull it back again, and then all you have to do is that. Put the bullets in. Was not closed it. So, really nice gun. And it has a little compartment to hold about, don't pull back too far, about 4 darts in here. And there's a little barrel thingy right there. So, you can sort of see where you're aiming right there. So, like so. And then, pretty nice. So, probably 5 Nerf guns I have. I would have done 10, but I don't have 10. I probably only have 7, but, so, 10 Johnny Boy, out.